Other types of personality test. To measure first type A personality, second type B personality, 3 type C personality, 4 type D personality. So this personality test try to test the health risk of a person's personality. Type A personality test. It is a psychological test to know personality of subject A or B by using questionnaire. Type A personalities generally have a stress problem, although most do not recognize this until extreme symptoms are serious. Illness develop. Type A behavior is a learned personality complex which is well rewarded in our culture. It is a desired trait in most institutions, especially at a managerial level. This personality complex is characterized by general relaxation and coping adequately with stress. To express few of the reactions associated with cardiac disease. Type A personality, ambitious, rigidly recognized, highly status conscious, can be sensitive, impatient, take on more than they can handle, want to, proactive, gripped with time management. It leads to stress problem. Type B personality. Contrast to type A personality. Work stability, enjoy achievement, not become stressed when they are not achieved. Stress prone, type A personality test. If scored over 110, type A1 is this category, and especially if you are over 40 and some you have a high risk of developing cardiac illness and other stress related illness. If score 80 to 109, type A2, you have also a cardiac prone personality, but your risk of heart disease is not quite as high as a type A1. If score is 60 to 79, type AB, you are a mixer of type A and type B patterns. If score is under 59, which is type B personality, 30 to 50 type B2 personality, 0 to 29 type B1. This personality complex is characterized by general relaxation and coping adequately with stress. Type C personality, lack of assertiveness results in tremendous stress and sometimes in depression. Type Cs are very vulnerable to depression compared to type A and type B. Type Type D personality. Type D might become socially withdrawn as a result of fear of rejection, even if they like to be around people. The most vulnerable type to depression. Next psychological test, public safety employment test. Occasions within the public safety field, that is fire service, law enforcement, corrections, emergency medical services, often require industrial and organizational psychology tests for initial employment and advancement throughout the risk. Examples: the National Firefighter Selection Inventory (NFSI), the National Criminal Justice Officer Selection Inventory (NCJOSI), and the Integrity Inventory. Next assessment, infant preschool assessment. Tests have been designed just for children ages birth to around 6 years of age. These tests usually vary with age respectively, from assessments of reflex and developmental milestones to sensory and motor skills, language skill, and simple cognitive skills. Common infant ability tests include Gesell Developmental Schedule (GDS), which measure the developmental progresses of infants. Neonatal Behavioral Assessment Scale (NBAS), which tests newborn behavior, reflexes, and responses. Ordinal Scales of Psychological Development (OSPD), which assess infant intellectual abilities and test mental ability and motor skill. Infant ability, preschool intelligence, and school readiness. A direct observation test. Psychological assessment may also involve to observation of people as they complete activities. This type of assessment is usually conducted with families in a laboratory, home, or with children in a classroom. The Parent-Child Interaction Assessment 2 (PCIA) is an example of direct observation procedure that is used with school-age children and parents. Next, sexological test. The number of tests specifically meant for the field of sexology is quite limited. The field of sexology provides different psychological evaluation devices in order to examine the various aspects of the discomfort, problem, or dysfunction regardless of whether they are individual or relational ones. List of sexological tests. 1. ASEX, Arizona Sexual Expression Scale. Second, ASKAS, Aging Sexuality Knowledge and Attitudes Scale. 3. BSRI, BEM Sex Role Inventory. 4. PSESQ 33, Parental Sexual Education Styles Questionnaire. 5. DIS, Diodic Adjustment Scale. 6. DIQ, Diagnostic Importance Questionnaire. 7. DSFI, Dirogetics Sexual Function Inventory. 8. EDITS, Erectile Dysfunction Inventory of Treatment Satisfaction. 9. EPES, Erotic Preferences Examination Scale. 10. FACES, Family Adaptability and Cohesion Evolution Scale. 11. FGIS, Feminine Gender Identity Scale. 12. GRIMS, Glombook Roast Inventory of Marital State. 13. GRISS, Glombook Roast Inventory of Sexual Satisfaction. 14. HSAS, Hendrick Sexual Attitude Scale. 15. IIEF, International Index of Erectile Function. 16. ISSS, Index of Sexual Satisfaction. 17. MAT, Marital Adjustment Test. 18. MCI, Marital Communication Inventory. 19. MMPI 2, Monasta Multi-Phase Personality Inventory. 20. MPT, Marital Patterns Test. 21. MSI, Marital Satisfaction Inventory. 22. PEQUEST, Premature Ejaculation Questionnaire. 23. PREPARE, ENRICH, Premarital Personal and Relationship Evaluation. 24. SAI, Sexual Arousability Inventory. 25. SAI, Sexual Attitude Scale. 26. SBI, Sexual Behavior Inventory. 27. SESAMO, WIN, Sex Relation Evaluation Schedule Assessment, Monitoring on Windows. 28. SESIIW, Sexual Erection, Sexual Inhabitation Inventory for Women. 29. SFQ, Sexual Functioning Questionnaire. 30. SHQR, Clerk Sex History Questionnaire for Male revised. 31. SII, sexual intervention inventory. 32. SOC, spouse observation checklist. 33. SOS, sexual opinion survey. 34. TIPE, test die indizone Erica. 35. WIQ, warring intimacy questionnaire. Next, interest test. Psychological test to assess a person's interest and performance. These tests are used primarily for career counseling. Interest tests include items about daily activities from among which applicants select their performances, select their preference. Thank you. Have a nice day.